Coming to our next content, importance of pH in everyday life. Are plants and animals pH sensitive? Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. What is the pH of the soil in our backyard? Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH required for the healthy growth of a plant, collect the soil from various places and check their pH by the addition of 1 or 2 drops of universal indicator to them. pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation called the condition acidity. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for this purpose. pH changes the cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel, made up of calcium phosphate, is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water, but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating food. Using toothbrushes, which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth, can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of a mild base like baking soda on the stung area gives relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid and causing burning pain.